A warm welcome to everyone here to save our environment together with GECO, Global Environment Conservative Organization. Now the question is, why GECO? What's wrong with environment? Why to save it? And how can GECO deal with it? Let's see how and why. As you all know, the main reason is global warming. Now, GECO is an organization for environment movement. The organization has a separate and independent actor identity in the term of social, economic, political, cultural and organizational practices. The foundation of the organization was declared by Taposh Burman at a convention in Kujbihar district. GECO accepts agenda for internal level in our nation, like building a global mass environment movement and establishing corporations and unity within the other environment activists. GECO demands to build up mass mentally on environment, advocate for eco-friendly culture. These organizations also publish newsletters, booklet, leaflet, journals and lots more. And I also do want to tell you that this esteemed noble organization is serving our nation and dealing with environmental crisis since 2007 15 June. If you want to change the world, if you want to be a part of it, if you want to do something for our environment, if you want to be a global environment activist, please follow us to see a better world in this environment crisis. If you want to know more about this organization, do follow GECO on your social media handle and please don't forget to like us, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and please be a part of GECO.